Today I'm going to show you a cheats version of a pain au chocolat. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry, 150 grams of milk chocolate and 1 egg. So to start with, you want to chop up your chocolate and you want to chop it into a long thin rectangle. So I was trying to chop the chocolate so then it was half of the square, keeping the row together. They didn't really keep together, but it's okay. And then to a floured out work surface, you want to roll out your puff pastry until it's a rectangle. So the reason why this is a cheats version of a pain au chocolat is because traditionally the pain au chocolat is made with croissant dough, which is made with yeast. So kind of a cheats version of that is to use the puff pastry instead. And then you want to cut your rectangle into 6 smaller rectangles. And then you want to lay a line of chocolate either side of each of your rectangles, just in from the sides, so leaving a little bit of a gap. And then you want to fold the sides over on top of the chocolate and then roll again, so then your 2 sides meet in the middle. And then to a pre-lined baking tray, you want to put your pain au chocolats on the baking tray, but you want to flip them over so then where it joins is actually underneath and on the tray. And then, having pre-beaten your egg, you just want to egg wash the top of each of your pain au chocolats. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes until the tops are golden. And there you have it. That's how you make a cheats version of a pain au chocolat. So I will be looking to make the actual recipe of a pain au chocolat at some point, but as we all know, I'm 4 years behind, so when that will be is anyone's guess.